Sa basketball, hindi makikihalubilo sa Gilas Pilipinas National Team si Alaska Aces veteran center Sonny Thos. Ito'y dahil may kasunduan na di umano ang Alaska at ang PBA Commissioner's Office ukol sa estado ng 6'7" slotman sa national pool. Ang 31-year-old na si Thos ay nauna nang naglaro para sa Gilas Pilipinas noong isang taon at ngayon naman ay napasama siya sa 17-man initial roster ni National Coach Chat Reyes para sa FIBA Asia Men's Championship sa Agosto. Ang kabuang detalye ihahatid ni Nicole Ramos.
Hanggat naglalaro pa ang Alaska Aces sa PBA Commissioner's Cup, hanggang observer status lamang si Sonny Thos sa Gilas Pilipinas National Team. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports, binigyang diin ni team manager Dickie Bachman na never nilang binigyan ng go signal si Thos na sumalang sa ensayo ng Gilas squad.
I don't know, but we had this agreement with Commissioner, and it's in Commissioner's court right now. We have the letter. He agreed to it. He understood it. We're waiting on him. We're just following the memo. We can observe, but we can't talk it. We're just following what was committed to us.
Paliwanag ni Bachman, may kasunduan na ang Alaska at si PBA Commissioner Chito Salud ukol sa status ni Thos. Bago pa man nag-release ng 17-man roster si National Coach Chat Reyes.
Commissioner talked to the team owners about transferring the third conference to August. Fred has had a condition na whoever is chosen, they'll be released by the end of our play date in the second conference, or if we get eliminated, they'll be free to go. And then Commissioner understood that. He confirmed to Fred that if Sonny, he'll be excused from practice. That was committed by Commissioner, and there's actually a memo from Commissioner to Sonny, to Alaska, and to Chot. Before he actually chose the Smartilas team.
Hirit pa ni Bachman, kaya nga nagpaubaya ang liga sa pag-adjust ng schedule ng Governor's Cup ay upang mabigyan ng mahigit 2 buwang training ang Philippine Quintet bago sumabak sa FIBA Asia Men's Championships sa Agosto.
Yeah, if we get eliminated early, we're free to go. And if we go all the way, then Smartilas has to wait till we finish.
So how come hindi po nalabas yung agreement na yan, Chair, prior to the releasing of the new names?
Yeah, we don't know, because Commissioner, when he left the meeting, he was the one who said that he will communicate this to Smartilas, to Chot, and to us. So we don't know why he was delayed. We were surprised because we were told that everyone would be excused because they're moving the whole third conference already to August. So they'll have like 2 months or more than 2 months to practice. So we were surprised, and we actually called Commissioner. What's this? You committed to us that Sonny won't be touched till the end of the conference.
Si Thos ay isa sa mga pinakamahusay na big men ng liga at isa siya sa mga pinagpipilian ni Reyes para sa center spot na nilalaroan rin ni naturalized cager Marcus Daurit, Junmar Fajardo at Gregory Slaughter. Para sa Good Morning Boss, Nicole Ramos, PTV Sports.